Taylor Gay is leading, cause fucking Mike, he can't say Taylor Gray. Keeps calling the poor dude gay. Yay, side by side. And this is where copyright strike is gonna come into play. 100%. Oh my god, the dick riding's crazy. Oh, caution's out, but the dick riding's crazy. Oh, the 75 is that? 76, Spencer Boyd. Hey, buddy, you're wanting 30th. Oh, wow, almost dropped that.
America is always on the move.
Okay, that's not even America, I don't think.
Moving up, moving home. And whether you are moving across town or across the country, Pods delivers when we say we will. No surprise costs. Which is why we were voted.
Okay, so it's gonna. It's
Join over 6 million
11:01, but I'm cold and I'm tired as hell. But we're just gonna keep watching these ads until commercials until we get to see the replay. So I'm just gonna meet you before I get my video gets taken down. We're back.
Here at Darlington, as you saw Spencer Boyd spin from the 28th spot.
Oh my.
Leader comes down. What do you think of this call?
Well, I kind of like it. Michael doesn't like it, but I kind of like it because that truck will be so fast. With over 20 laps on those other guys' tires, he's going to look like he has 3 extra cylinders in this truck.
3 extra cylinders?
3 extra
So
cylinders.
he's got 11?
Not 4, but 3.
Well, I'm going to tell you, Phil, I don't like to call it. Now, it's easy to say that because a lot of the leaders didn't follow him down. And I think that's
3 for Dale.
He thought maybe Pitts drags other people with him. He keeps that lead. And we saw that.
And no replay, I guess.
That left front tire. We didn't see a sign of it going bad, but you never know. It could have had a slow leak as well. So look how much better that looks now with that lettered up Goodyear tire there. I'm sure he feels better.
Okay, there we go.
So here's a look at Spencer Boyd right off of turn 4. Back of the screen there, and around he goes.
Yeah, racing really close with another truck. There could have been a little bit of contact. I just don't see maybe Brett Holmes. I think actually Mason Maggio in the 22 that possibly made contact, but